You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. American football fullback with the San Francisco 49ers. For more names from the NFL that can be a bit confusing, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Indeed, his surname, at least the spelling, is a bit confusing. Kyle Juszczyk. Yes, the J makes a Y sound. Juszczyk. Yeah, it's fairly easy, straightforward once you know. Kyle Juszczyk. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.